Meaning of gray-haired.
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 Gray-haired. Gray-haired generally refers to a person who has hair that is predominantly or completely gray in color, often as a result of aging. The term can also be used figuratively to describe someone who is wise, experienced, or respected due to their age or life experience. In popular culture, gray-haired characters are often portrayed as mentors or authority figures. The term may also have negative connotations, implying that the individual is old-fashioned or out of touch with contemporary culture. Overall, gray-haired typically connotes maturity, age, and wisdom.